If your home or commercial building has experienced a fire, flooding, or mold, the damage you can see is usually only part of the story. Smoke odors that won't go away, water stains, warped flooring, or musty smells are all signs of a deeper problem. Contamination and moisture inside the structure of your home. Fire, water, and mold damage are different problems, but they're often connected, and if they're not handled correctly, they can continue causing damage long after the initial event. After a fire, smoke and soot travel deep into walls, ceiling, furniture, and ductwork. Those particles are acidic and continue damaging surfaces over time. After flooding or leak, water spreads quickly into flooring, drywall, and insulation, especially in South Florida humid climate. And when moisture is left behind, mold can begin growing in as little as 24 to 48 hours, often behind walls and under flooring, where you can't see it. Most associations don't realize problems don't stop on their own. They compound. Here's exactly how our team restores homes safely and correctly. We'll start with a detailed inspection, identifying fire residue, water intrusion, moisture levels, and potential mold growth using professional detection tools. Next, affected areas are isolated to prevent soot, moisture, or mold spores from spreading to clean parts of the home. Damaged materials are carefully removed, soot and debris are cleaned, and contaminated surfaces are addressed properly. High-powered air movers and dehumidifiers are placed strategically to dry the structure surfaces. This isn't a single step, it's a coordinated process. We don't treat fire, water, or mold as isolated problems, because they aren't. We measure moisture, we don't guess. We contain work area properly. We follow industry approval restoration protocols. We clean and verify before we move on. We focus on long-term protection, not just fast results. This is where shortcuts usually happen, and where we don't cut corners. Homeowners and property managers typically see cleaner surfaces, fresher air, and a home or property that feels safe and comfortable again. Immediately, odors are reduced and moisture is controlled over time. Proper restoration helps prevent structure damage, mold regrowth, and lingering air quality issues. It's not just about fixing damages, it's about restoring peace of mind. If your home or business has experienced fire, water, or mold damage, guessing can make things worse. A professional inspection will tell you exactly what's happening and what needs to be done. Watch the rest of the playlist to learn more about how we restore your home or commercial property the right way, or schedule your inspection to get clear answers.